are with a new video, adult choking. Now first, why we choking? Because obstructed airways. How we have this problem? The obstruction of the airways can be due to different causes such as foreign bodies, food theft, allergic reaction, asthma, blood, wound and infection. Now, see, recognizing how we will recognizing a choking casualty, gasping at the throat area, difficulty in breathing, in speaking, redness of the face, eyes enlarged and watering, displaying distress. Now, choking adult. What to do in case of choking? First is encourage coughing. If we just will recognize that somebody have the choking, we will encourage them to cough. Then if it's not possible, then 5 big blows. Then again, if it's not possible, then 5 abdominal thrust. Where will be thrust? Near the center of the belly, means the belly button, or we call this knob. Then alternative big blows and abdominal thrust 5 times. Complete the circle 5 back blows and 5 abdominal thrusts one by one. And after this, if it's not possible, then call the 999 EMS and start CPR if unconscious. So now let me do the practical. So first of all, we will tell cough like this. If we cannot tell like this, then they will, he or she will do coughing. If it's not possible, then we will give five black blows like this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Then not possible, the result nothing. Then here the cage, in the center of the cage, in the belly button here like this, the fist like see here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now we will see the result the same. So repeat this big blows again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now see the result, same. Then again repeat this please. Here like this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. If it's pregnant lady, then we will do only the black blows, not abdominal thrust. So repeat this 5 times black blows, abdominal thrust, and alternatively, if it's no result, then call the 999 112, and also if unconscious, then give the CPR. The CPR we have another video for this. So 30 compression and 2 rescue breath. So you can also have this in our other video for the CPR. Thank you very much, and we'll see you in the next video. If you have any comments, please give in the comment section and we will revert your comments. Thank you very much, and we'll see you in the next video.